Good morning. So, in the last class, we talked about the human digestive system. I hope you all have understood that topic. Let's move forward. So, you must have seen that this picture in your EVS books, and this is the complete picture. You have already drawn it in your notebooks. No need to draw it again in your books. So, these are all the organs that helps in digestion, and we have also labeled them in our notebooks. Now it says straight from the heart. Where do you think the food must be going after you put it in your mouth and swallow it? In the picture given here, draw the path of the food through your body. Share your picture with your friends. Do all of you have similar pictures? So, yes, we all have similar pictures. The digestion in humans is same with everyone. सबके साथ सेम ही प्रोसेस होता है. सबका जो खाना होता है, it goes from mouth to food pipe, then to stomach, and the liver and the pancreas, they produces juices, which goes to small intestine. The small intestine breaks the food into more smaller pieces. Then the nutrients and the useful things go to all the parts of body. Then the waste, it goes to large intestine, and whatever the water we need for our body, it is absorbed in this large intestine. And then again, the waste that is left out is stored in the rectum, and through anus it goes out of our body. So this is common for all of us. We all have the same digestion process. So yes, we would have similar pictures. Sabka same hi hoga. They'll have the same names also. So I hope you already have drawn it in your notebooks. Next, it says discuss. How do you feel when you are very hungry? How would you describe it? So when you are hungry, you want to eat the food. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जब when you are hungry, you have an urge. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि कुछ खा लें. So you feel the need to eat something. कुछ ज़रूरत सी होती है कि अभी कुछ खाना चाहिए. And sometimes when you are very hungry, आपको चक्कर भी आते हैं. You feel dizzy, and it your stomach also makes some noises, growling noise आती है, sounds आती है आपके stomach से. So yes, we can say that I feel dizzy and sensations and sounds come from the stomach. How do you come to know that you are hungry? Growling sounds, as I've already said, growling sounds from stomach. Want to eat something, तो you feel the need to eat something. कुछ खाने का मन होता है एकदम से. Then you know that you are hungry. Think what would happen if you do not eat anything for 2 days. If you won't eat anything for 2 days, we may feel tired, and if we are tired, we can also fall sick. बीमार भी पड़ सकते हैं अगर we won't eat anything for 2 days. Next, it says all these kids have different symptoms when they are hungry. Some This girl, her head aches when she is hungry. He gets angry. They feel tired. Her sister cries, and the dog also cries when it is hungry. So next it says, would you be able to manage without drinking water for 2 days? Where do you think the water we drink goes? So no, we won't be able to manage without drinking water. Even if you drink all the juices or the soft drinks or cold drinks, you'll feel the need to drink water. अगर प्यास लगी है तो water is the best thing. मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर आप juices भी पी लेते हो तो भी मन करता है कि नहीं, पानी ही पीना है. So no, we won't be able to manage without drinking water for 2 days. 2 days very big. Abhi, if you even don't drink water for say 2 or 3 hours, तब भी इतना your throat dries up, और इतनी you feel thirsty a lot. And next it says, where do you think the water that we drink goes? The water we drink goes to all parts of body, as we have also seen in the last class, that all the water that we drink, it is absorbed by the large intestine, and wherever it is necessary in the body parts, जहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत होती है, the large intestine through blood, blood के blood के साथ mix होके the water goes to all parts of body. So the water is absorbed by large intestine, and from there it goes to all parts of the body. And the water which is which is extra for us, or which is a waste, it comes in the form of sweat and urine. It comes out of our body. Next, it says Neetu was given a glucose drip. Neetu was very sick. All day she was vomiting, and she also had loose motions. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution, anything that is mixed with water. So water, sugar and salt. So he gave her daughter this solution which had sugar and salt in it, and it was mixed with water. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. So she was feeling more and more weak and dizzy. उसे चक्कर आए थे, dizzy. She was, her head was circling around. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. जब वो डॉक्टर के पास जाने के लिए she got up, she fainted, बेहोश हो गई. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given a glucose drip. New word, glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink, but what was a glucose drip? Doctor Auntie explained, your stomach is upset, means it is bad, in bad shape. Okay? Your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become very weak. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly, even without eating. So, glucose drip, what does it do? So, glucose drip, when your stomach is upset, or when you are not able to eat something or drink something, or if your stomach is not able to digest, आपका जो digestive system है उसमें आफ्टर द माउथ ऑल द फूड गोज टू स्टमक. अगर स्टमक डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है आपका फूड, देन यू पूरा जो डाइजेशन प्रोसेस आगे का वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है ना, एंड यू वॉमिटेड. सारा जो आपने खाना खाया था वो यू वॉमिटेड, और वो सब बाहर आ गया. लेकिन आपकी बॉडी को तो इट नीड्स एनर्जी टू फंक्शन, मतलब उसको काम करने के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए. हाउ डज इट गेट दैट एनर्जी? क्योंकि हम खा नहीं सकते, खा रहे हैं तो वॉमिट हो रही है. तो ग्लूकोज ड्रिप दिया जाता है. इट हैज अ नीडल विद अ ट्यूब, और जो ग्लूकोज होता है वो इट इज स्टोर्ड इन अ बॉटल एंड समथिंग. वो एक ट्यूब से विद अ नीडल इट गेट्स इंसर्टेड इनटू योर हैंड, प्रेफरेब हैंड में होता है. एंड फ्रॉम देयर वो जो ग्लूकोज होता है वो पूरी बॉडी में आपके जाता है, एंड इट गिव्स एनर्जी. ग्लूकोज पानी, सॉल्ट, शुगर सोल्यूशन मिक्स है. and what does it do? It helps to keep your body, you know ताकि उसमें जो भी हमें चाहिए होता है, वी नीड वाटर एंड वी नीड समथिंग टू वर्क, तो वो हमें मिलता रहे. सो दैट इज ग्लूकोज. एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस ad on the TV, Glucon D. It has all sorts of flavors now: orange, lime, Coke, Cola, all the uh, flavors it has. So Glucon D, it is also the same thing. So glucose, and when you are playing outside in the heat, or you're working, working very hard, so your teachers, or everyone around you, your parents, they ask you to drink Glucon D or take more liquids. Why? Because when you play or when you work out, ऐसा होता है. सो ऑल जितनी भी एनर्जी होती है और जो भी वाटर होता है वो आपकी बॉडी से चला जाता है. हाउ? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वेट. स्वेट करते हो ना जब खेलते हो, या फिर इफ यू नो वर्क वेरी हार्ड, तो स्वेट से सारा जो आपका वाटर होता है बॉडी में वो स्वेट से बाहर आ जाता है. बट आवर बॉडी नीड्स वाटर. हमारी बॉडी को वाटर चाहिए. वाटर कैसे मिलेगा? व्हेन वी कीप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. हम पानी पीते रहेंगे, एंड for more we can also add water, salt or sugar to it, and it combine. जब वो combine होता है water, sugar and salt solution, it combines and it is called as glucose. तो glucon D जो होता है, it it does the same work. तो अब क्योंकि वो इनटेक नहीं ले पा रही थी नीतू, मतलब वो अपना खाना नहीं ले पा रही थी, जो वो खा रही थी शी वॉज वॉमिटिंग इट आउट, इसीलिए शी हैड टू टेक इट थ्रू इंजेक्शन, नीडल से उसे लेना पड़ा ताकि उसकी बॉडी में शी हैड एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन हर बॉडी, तो उसको स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी उससे ग्लूकोज ड्रिप से. So you can see in this photo also, in this picture also, it has a bottle, a tube, and this is the needle which goes inside her hand. Next, talk and discuss. Do you remember that in class 4th you made a solution of sugar and salt? Neetu's father also made this and gave her. What do you think this is? Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motions? So why we have already discussed it. You can write it in your books. To prevent or control dehydration, dehydration means loss of water. आपकी बॉडी में जब पानी की कमी हो जाती है तो उसको डिहाइड्रेशन बोलते हैं. तो उससे आपकी बॉडी को बचाने के लिए, और अगर डिहाइड्रेशन हो गई है तो उसको ठीक करने के लिए, टू कंट्रोल इट ऑल्सो, तो we drink this solution of sugar and salt mixed with water. Solution means anything that is mixed with water, and so sugar and salt solution, we drink it to prevent, if to prevent dehydration, to prevent loss of water in our body, और to control, अगर हो गया है हमारी बॉडी में पानी की कमी हो गई है तो उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए भी we can drink more and more glucose. So dehydration is the loss of water. Have you heard the word glucose or seen it written anywhere? So they are asking you, have you ever heard of this word? So you must have, yes, you on the glucose packet and seen it on the TV in advertisements. This is the famous glucose, Glucon D. Have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? So they are asking you. Your answer can be yes or no. If you have, you must know that it has a sweet taste. If you don't, then I'm telling you that it has a sweet taste. Have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell the class about it. So you can write it over here. If it's a yes, then you can write it down when and why were they given that glucose drip, and if no, you can write no. Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do they, why do you think she did this? Same, to prevent and control dehydration, and also to maintain and boost energy in the body, to keep the body hydrated, ताकि body में पानी की कमी ना हो, to prevent loss of water. और जो भी energy हमें चाहिए, और we when we play, we need energy to play, right? We need energy to do anything. तो with water and with glucose, जो हमारी एनर्जी है जितनी हम यूज कर रहे हैं while playing, उतनी वो वापस आती रहती है. सो इट कीप्स ऑन एडिंग, मतलब हमें बूस्ट भी मिलता है जब ऐसा होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग और आप एकदम से पानी पीते हो तो एकदम फ्रेशनेस आती है कि नाउ आई कैन प्ले मोर एंड मोर. सो दैट इज बीइंग हाइड्रेटेड, मतलब आपकी बॉडी में पानी की कमी नहीं है, इट हैज राइट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर in it. Next, look at Neetu's picture and describe what is happening. How is the glucose drip being given? So you can see the picture. It has a bottle with a tube and the needle attached to the bottle, and through that needle, the glucose goes into her body. Next, it is the Martin's window. Here's an old story. It seems so funny. There was a window in Martin's tummy. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot right in the stomach. It bled a lot. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin, but the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Oh, what a chance for doctors to study what happens to the food inside the body. The story seems odd, but it is really true. The secret of Martin's stomach helped us all, me and you. So this is a poem and it has a story too. You can see it on the next page. So this is a story. You can read it on your own. I'm just telling you the summary what it all has. So there was this soldier. His name was Martin, and he was 18 years old and he was very healthy. One day he got shot because he was a soldier, so he got shot, मतलब उसको गोली लग गई, and he was seriously hurt, बहुत ज़्यादा, he was bleeding, बहुत ज़्यादा खून आ रहा था. So Dr. Beaumont Dr. Beaumont was treating him. He was a doctor, so he was treating the patient. The patient's name was Martin, and he cleaned the wound and everything was done. But after 1.5 years, he noticed that everything was healed. मतलब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया है, लेकिन there was one strange thing. एक अलग सी चीज थी मार्टिन्स के स्टमक पे. What? It had a big hole. Martin के stomach में एक big hole था, and the hole was covered with a loose flap of skin. Means, for example, if you cover something, आप किसी को किसी cloth से cover करते हो तो आप उसको हटाते हो, you can see the thing, right? In the same way, तो वो जो hole था वो एक skin के flap से cover था. You can uh, turn that skin and see whatever it is inside the stomach. So stomach के अंदर you could peep in. So it was like a jackpot or something कि उसको उनको, because he was a doctor, so he would be able to research about and find about things that he didn't know, that anybody else didn't know. So at that time scientists did not know how food was digested, how does the digestive juices in the stomach help, or how does it make the food wet and soft, or what all does. So scientists didn't know about that. So Dr. Beaumont had this golden chance, उनके पास एक golden chance आया because of Martin, क्योंकि Martin के stomach में एक hole था, and he could see through it, मतलब उसके stomach में he could peep in it. So he took some liquid juices out of the stomach. So जो भी stomach में digestive juices होते हैं which help in digestion, तो एक ट्यूब से डॉक्टर बोमोंट ने वो सारे थोड़े से जूसेस निकाले और उसको एक ग्लास में रखा, एंड ही पुट अ फ्राइड फिश इन दैट. ठीक है, तो एक फ्राइड फिश को उसमें डाला उन्होंने, एंड ही नोटिस्ड कि वो थोड़ी, मतलब व्हेन ही नोटिस्ड आफ्टर सम टाइम ही फाउंड दैट इट वाज कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व्ड. मतलब वो डिसॉल्व हो गई थी फिश पूरी, मतलब like it would have been dissolved in our stomach, जैसे हमारे digestive juices से stomach में वो dissolve हो जाती, वैसे ही ग्लास में भी सेम टेम्परेचर पे जैसे स्टमक के अंदर होता है, तो वैसे वो भी ग्लास में डिसॉल्व हो गई थी. So he tried many experiments. तो वो जो भी ट्राई कर सकते थे उन्होंने सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ट्राई किए डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स से, और सेम टाइम पे और कितनी सेम ड्यूरेशन में रखा उन्होंने, जैसे स्टमक में रहता है. और उन्होंने सारी जो ऑब्जर्वेशन, जो भी उन्होंने देखा था, जो भी उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया था कि कितना टाइम लगा एंड हाउ डज इट ऑल एड अप, he recorded all of that in a table, and here is this table. So uh, he took all these items and he calculated how much time did it take in the stomach to digest, and in the glass jar with digestive juices which were taken out from Martin's stomach. मार्टिन्स का जो स्टमक था मार्टिन का, तो उसमें से जो डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस उसने ट्यूब से निकाले थे, सो ही पुट देम इनटू अ ग्लास जार, और उसमें ये सारे आइटम्स डाले. उसमें इतना टाइम लगा टू डाइजेस्ट, एंड इनसाइड द स्टमक इट टुक दिस मच टाइम. एज यू कैन सी एंड कंपेयर, जो स्टमक में है, इट इन स्टमक इट टुक लेसर टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट. Stomach में less time लगा, and in the glass with digestive juices it took a lot of time, to more time than stomach to digest. So he did all these experiments and he found many secrets about digestion and the digestive system, and what all happens after we chew the food and it goes through food pipe. Next, okay, now it says he also found that juice in our stomach is acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity, especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly? So you must have heard your elders say that they are having acidity and they take Eno for that, right? So acidity, because you all know that in our stomach we have many digestive juices. Okay, so these digestive juices, they help in digestion. They break down food into smaller pieces, right? And he found that stomach is acidic. But acidity कब होती है? Acidity means ये जो acids होते हैं, ये जो digestive juices होते हैं, when their quantity increases, मतलब ये जब ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तब acidity होती है. And you know, it keeps on ऐसे बहुत tingling सी sensation होती है, you know, you can't digest or you feel very uneasy when it is acidic, and for that you take eno or something like that. And what it does, it it fights with the acidity and it cools it down, मतलब उसको cool down करते हैं ताकि जो digestive juices होते हैं जो वो more हो गए थे वो control में आ जाए. So it gets control so that everything that you eat can be digested properly in the stomach. So it helps like that. So they're asking you, if you have to imagine if you were in the place of Dr. Beaumont, what experiments would you have done to find the secrets of our stomach? So write about your experiments. So what you would be, interested to find, you have to write them down over here. You can do this in your books only. Next it says good food, good health. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. Rashmi is 5 years. She looks about 3 years old. She is 5 years old, but she looks about 3 years old. She looks younger because she has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. Pot belly means her stomach is like a balloon. It is in the shape of a balloon. She often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. Food, what does she eat? She is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. On one side is Rashmi, and she doesn't get enough food. Next, there is Kailash. He's 7 years. He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. What does he eat? He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables, and roti. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizzas, and soft drinks from the market. Another is Kailash, and he eats junk food, or he eats only junk food. So Doctor Aparna measured the height and weight of both the children. Then she told them there is only one treatment for both your problems. So they had different problems. One ate only junk food and the other she didn't get enough food. So what was the solution? Only one solution. They should get proper food. What is proper food? In class third, you have that chapter called food, and you must have read about balanced diet, that we our body needs right amount of nutrients, right amount of things in right order, in right quantity, to help our body function properly, ताकि हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी मिले, so that our body grow, and it helps in repairs when we get hurt or we are wounded. Next, it says discuss. Why do you think Rashmi could eat only roti in the one roti in the whole day? Maybe because she was from a poor family and she couldn't afford. That's why she ate only one chapati, one roti in the whole day. Do you think Kailash would like games and sports? So, after reading about Kailash, do you think that he likes sports and games? So we think he wouldn't like it, because if he had liked it, he would have been more active and less. अगर वो active होता तो he wouldn't be that fat or flabby, right? What do you understand by proper food? So proper food includes good amount of nutritious food needed for the body to function properly. मतलब उसमें सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स होने चाहिए हमारे, जो फूड होता है, प्रॉपर फूड जो होता है, सो इट हैज टू बी इन राइट अमाउंट। और किस लिए चाहिए होता है? ताकि हमारी जो बॉडी इट फंक्शंस प्रॉपरली। it Because from food we gain energy, it helps in repair and body building, so we need proper food to help our body, to help us, to help our body to function properly. Next it says, what why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? Why do you think it was not proper? On the one hand, Rashmi was not getting adequate or the right amount of food. उसे अच्छे से खाना नहीं मिल रहा था. And on the second hand, जो कैलाश था, he only ate junk food like chips, pizzas and burgers etc. तो रश्मि को खाना नहीं मिल रहा था प्रॉपर. प्रॉपर मीन्स उसको राइट अमाउंट में नहीं मिल रहा था जितना उसकी बॉडी को चाहिए था. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड, कैलाश ओनली एट जंक फूड विच इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द बॉडी. और कैलाश को प्रॉपर फूड क्यों चाहिए था? बिकॉज ही वॉज ओनली ईटिंग जंक फूड विच मेड हिम फैट एंड फ्लैबी. Next, this find out, you have to do it yourself. You have to find from your elders what they used to eat, and then you have to write, or you have to think what daily activities you do, or what do you eat, and are these two things similar? Do you eat the same things or same type of things or not? So you have to write it down over here. So you have to do it yourself. Next, it says proper food, every child's right. You have read about two children. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food. The other one is Rashmi, who does not even get one proper meal a day. About half the children in our country are like Rashmi. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. So, in our country, there are many children who are like Rashmi, and they couldn't afford or they couldn't get the right amount of food that is required by the body to function properly, to grow, to develop properly. So they don't get that food. And so these children are very weak and sickly. Sickly means they often uh, they are in poor health, or they get ill and sick very quickly, very easily. But it is the right of every child to get proper food. So it is the right means everybody has the right to get proper food, to get right amount of things in their food, to in order to in order to help them gain energy or cell repairs, or for their body to grow and develop properly. So it is the right of every child, in fact it is the right of every person, to have a proper food to make their body function properly. So that's why we shouldn't waste the food. Next, it is a story of Gomti. Gomti is 30 years old. Gomti works in the fields of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little. So Gomti works in a field, and she is paid very little, so little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. And she's paid so less that she couldn't even buy enough rice to feed her whole family. And some months she does not get any work at all. And because some fields have seasonal work, कि किसी एक season में they have that crop or something, तो उस season में काम होगा, लेकिन बाकी season she wouldn't be doing anything, उसके पास कोई काम नहीं होगा. So then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. So because she didn't have anything, anywhere to work, कुछ काम करने के लिए नहीं था, तो what would she eat? She would eat leaves and roots. Imagine, imagine ही करना है हमें सिर्फ कि हम leaves और roots खा रहे हैं. हमें imagine करके भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. She used to eat that because she didn't have the money to buy the food. And money क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि काम नहीं था. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always sick. And since they didn't get proper food, तो गोमती के जो बच्चे थे, Gomti's children, they were very weak because they didn't get proper food, and they were always sick. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. So her husband also died of hunger. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district. So it is in Odisha only, and most of the rice grows in that district, in that area. Rice is even sent to other states from here. तो यहाँ से rice दूसरी states में भी it is being sent. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. तो ऐसा भी होता है कि बहुत सारा जो राइस या वॉट एवर द क्रॉप इज, अगर गोडाउन्स बड़े बड़े जो वो होते हैं ना स्टोरेज के लिए होते हैं हाउसेस, तो वहां पे स्टोर करते हैं ताकि वहां से दे कैन सेंड. कई बार ऐसा होता है, एक्चुअली बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि वो जो स्टोर किया हुआ सामान होता है, वट एवर दैट थिंग इज व्हीट राइस और पल्सेस, वो सब खराब हो जाता है. इन द सेम Kalahandi, there are many more poor people like Gomti. Why do people die of hunger in such a place? So ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अ, ऐसी जगह पे, फॉर एग्जांपल काला हांडी, जहाँ पे राइस उगता है, तो वहाँ एंड इट इट इज सेंट टू द अदर स्टेट्स फ्रॉम हियर. लेकिन यहाँ पे भी ऐसा होता है कि दैट पीपल डाई, पुअर पीपल डाई बिकॉज दे कांट ईट एनीथिंग एंड दे डाई ऑफ हंगर. तो ऐसा ऐसी जगह पे भी क्यों होता है? बिकॉज दे डोंट गेट इट, मतलब उनके पास एक्सेस नहीं होता. अब ऐसा नहीं है ना, गो डाउन है तो एनीबडी कैन गो देयर एंड take rice or excuse me. तो एक्सेस नहीं है, मतलब सामान हमारे पास बहुत सारा है, बट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू एलोकेट इट, हाउ टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट विद एवरीवन. इसीलिए with poor people they cannot afford the rice and they die of hunger. Next, how do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day? What are the reasons for this? So they are asking if you know any child who does not get enough food in the whole day, and what are the reasons? Maybe they are too busy, but children are not busy. So it's probably that they are from poor family and they cannot afford to buy a proper meal. That's why they are hungry. And if talking about work and that thing, so children of that age, they can keep aside their work and eat first, and then they can continue with their work. But mostly the children who don't get food in the whole day, they are probably from poor family and they couldn't afford a proper meal. Have you ever seen a go down where a lot of grain has been stored where? So they're asking you, if you have seen, you can write yes, and where have you seen it? And if you haven't, you can simply write no. So I have seen that, and they are in the markets. So when there are wholesale markets जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी markets होती हैं, they have big shops. तो वहाँ पे उनके पास स्टोरेज के लिए दे हैव गो डाउन्स, एंड all the things that they have, all the things that they are selling, they store those things in huge quantities, ज़्यादा quantities में they store them in go downs. So we can see them in a marketplace जहाँ पे they have big shops. What we have learned: why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? So when we have cold, our nose gets blocked and therefore we cannot smell or taste. हमारी nose block हो जाती है, we couldn't breathe properly. इसीलिए जो हमारे taste buds और हमारी because nose block हो गई है, तो we cannot smell, and so we cannot also taste properly. For example, you must have seen this in movies, or you must have also done it yourself. When your mother is giving, or when your elders are giving you bitter medicine, they, close your nose, because it's related. Your nose, throat, and your tongue, nose, throat, and your ears, they are, connected with each other. They have the same uh, yeah, they're connected. So when you are given a bitter thing, or they close your, they hold your nose so that you can swallow it easily. So that's why when our nose gets blocked, we cannot smell and we cannot taste properly. If we were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? So digestive system As we have seen, it starts from mouth to anus, and we know that there is saliva in our mouth, and that is because of salivary glands. And that saliva, it helps to break down the food into smaller pieces. Like we have talked earlier also, saliva, it helps in chewing and swallowing the food. And when we chew it, it breaks down into smaller pieces, and it makes it easier to swallow. और swallow वो अच्छे से हो पाता है, then only it goes to stomach to further break down into smaller pieces. Or uh, it- then only it starts to get digested by other organs. So saliva breaks down food and easily it gets passed on to other organs. So that is it. So this was it for this chapter, from tasting to digesting. I hope you have all understood the chapter.